think that the act of perception is a creative act. It's not just a passive receiving of things. And I think that really, in many ways, the landscape itself is the imagination. There's a deep connection between the two. I mean, all of the places that we know, that we imprint, the idea of imprinting a story on the land is an ancient, ancient thing. And I think that just the journey that we've made today, coming here, is very metaphorical. I think it's very interesting that we've been forced to crawl around like animals in this tiny space, to open this door, to see the light, to experience, the infinite space. Let's go look. If you go back to the ancient Greeks and to a lot of other philosophers in the East, you find that there's another model of vision, which is a creative model. And according to the creative model of vision, the eye sends out rays of some substance that was unknown and immaterial, and those rays strike objects, therefore making them visible. So in that model, the viewer is very much a creative part of the process of perception. The viewer, in looking at objects, literally evokes them and creates them. And of course, even though that model of vision has been proven to be scientifically inaccurate, I think that from the larger sense of a human being, psychologically and spiritually, it is very accurate, because I think we do create the world around us that we see. We are connected in a real way to the objects that we know, and that we literally create the perceptions of what we're seeing. There's so much a part of ourselves in what we see. It's beautiful. Give me the camera. You have the negative shutter on. It's totally out of focus. Beautiful.